Want to have a garden that blooms all year round? Enter the world of perennial borders, a delightful blend of plants that offer color and intrigue across seasons. Designing a perennial border isn't as complex as it seems. Stay tuned to learn how. Before diving into the dirt, planning is the first step. Consider the sunlight your garden receives, your soil type, and local climate. Choose plants that will thrive in your unique conditions. With a solid plan in place, you're ready to choose your plants. Now comes the fun part, picking out your plants. The key to maintaining year-round vibrancy lies in selecting a variety of perennials that bloom at different times. Imagine a symphony of colors and textures unfolding with the seasons. Consider the height and spread of your plants to create a dynamic visual impact. For instance, tall and slender lupines can contrast beautifully with the broad leaves of hostas. With a thoughtful mix of colors, textures, and blooming schedules, you're crafting a living tapestry. With a diverse selection of plants, you're ready to plant your perennial border. With your chosen plants in hand, it's time to bring your perennial border to life. Start by digging a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball of your plant. Enrich the soil with compost for added nutrition. Once your perennials are planted, consistent care is key. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, is a must. Mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Don't forget to prune as needed to maintain shape and encourage growth. With proper care, your perennial border will provide color and interest throughout the year. Designing a perennial border is a rewarding process that brings year-round beauty to your garden. We've discussed planning, choosing plants, planting, and caring for your border. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!